This week's lesson has demonstrated that it's surprisingly hard for us to be objective about making decisions. Even when we have good data, a firm grasp of the fundamentals of statistics, and the best of intentions, we can still easily make subtle errors that lead to less than optimal decisions. Having an awareness of these errors and a vocabulary to describe them makes them much easier to recognize. We hope that this week's lesson has shown that to be successful in analytics, we must take care with the decision-making process just as we do with calculations. Also notice the strong parallel in the big picture lessons from our first two classes. In week 1, we learned that variability and imprecision are unavoidable, but careful thinking can help us quantify and understand those errors. In week 2, we encounter another difficulty, this time with the human tendency to seek order and provide explanations. But we see that we can minimize the problem through good critical thinking. Together, the lessons show that doing good work in analytics is challenging, but not impossible. It's much more than just letting some software program do calculations for us and spit out an answer. Increasingly, businesses and academics realize that good business decision-making depends on both technical skill and careful interpretation. This is why the demand for people with training in statistics and analytics is high, and it's likely to remain high. Careful consideration of evidence and nuanced communication of results are skills in high demand, and they're the hallmark of the successful analyst. Coming up in week 3, Professor David Kachaturian will show us some examples of the way people are using good data and sophisticated thinking to make profitable decisions in business. Using some tried and true statistical methods, plus a few more modern approaches that apply to the rapidly expanding universe of data, he will demonstrate how businesses are able to make predictions that can improve the bottom line. This approach to predictive analytics is a big picture look at how data analysis and communication work together to produce useful forecasts. Thanks for taking week 2, and we hope you enjoy week 3.